Will changing DNS settings help bypass geo-restrictions on streaming services? Have you ever wondered if changing your domain name system settings could help you access content that is blocked in your region? This question is more common than you might think, especially among streaming enthusiasts. Let's break down the facts to see if changing your DNS settings can really help you bypass those pesky geo-restrictions. First, it is important to understand what DNS does. The domain name system translates website names into Internet Protocol addresses. When you change your DNS settings to public servers like Google Public DNS or Cloudflare, you may notice faster browsing speeds. However, simply switching to these public DNS servers does not effectively bypass geo-restrictions on streaming services. Why is that? Because these services still relying on your actual Internet Protocol address to determine your location. Now, here is where it gets interesting. There are specialized DNS services known as Smart DNS. These services are specifically designed to help users bypass geo-restrictions. Smart DNS works by selectively rerouting DNS queries that are related to location verification. This means it tricks streaming services into thinking you are accessing content from a region where it is allowed. Unlike standard DNS changes, Smart DNS does not change your Internet Protocol address, but it can help you access geo-blocked content. Another key point is that Smart DNS does not encrypt your Internet traffic. This means while it can help you bypass geo-restrictions, it does not provide the same level of privacy or security that a virtual private network would. If you are looking for a solution that offers both privacy and the ability to access restricted content, a virtual private network may be a better option. Setting up Smart DNS is generally easier than using a virtual private network. It can work at the network level, which means multiple devices can benefit from it without needing special software. If you are just trying to access simple geo-blocks, Smart DNS can be effective. However, keep in mind that streaming providers are becoming more sophisticated at detecting these methods. They often block Smart DNS services, making virtual private networks a more reliable choice for tougher restrictions. In summary, changing your DNS settings to a Smart DNS service can help you bypass geo-restrictions on streaming services by spoofing your location at the DNS query level. However, simply switching to standard public DNS servers will not help you bypass these restrictions. If you want stronger geo-unblocking and privacy, consider using a virtual private network instead.